Hello lovely people, do you want to learn graphic designing? Then this is the right video for you. Stick with me till the end of the video and you will never regret. In this video, I'm going to teach you the basics, starting from the basic to advanced, learning graphic designing. In this my video, we are going to learn how to design a simple MTN logo like this. We are going to learn how to design a simple MTN logo like this. The software you'll be using to design this simple MTN logo is Photoshop. So Photoshop is the software you'll be using to design this simple MTN logo. Please, the link to this software will be in my description. You can go and check it out and get the latest Photoshop so that you can download it and also practice along. And in this video, we'll be using all the necessary tools you need to know inside Photoshop before you can design this simple MTN logo. So in this video, we'll be using all the necessary tools you need to know inside the Photoshop so that at least you can be familiar with some of the tools to design this simple MTN logo. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment so that I can answer your questions. Now let's get back to track. To design this simple MTN logo, the first thing you're supposed to do is you need a background. To create a background for yourself, you go to File. Please stick with me till the end of the video and understand everything we'll be doing. As I said earlier, if you are having any question, you can comment. I will answer your question for you. Before you can design this simple MTN logo, you need a background. To File, New. As here, we have the width, the height, we have the inches. Please change these inches to pixels and change the width to 1280. Change it to 1280 and change the height to 1280. Very simple. So the width is 1280, the height is 1280. You change from inches to pixels, the resolution to 72 pixels, the color mode RGB color 8-bit white. After that, you click on the OK. Now, this is the background we are having now. We have created a background for ourselves. It's very simple. Now, when you create the background, when you come to your right side, you can see you have background here with a lock. Please, before you can start with your work, you need to open this lock here. So to open the lock, you need to double click on the lock to open it. After that, you click on OK. Please, you are done opening the lock. We are now coming to start our work. Please stick with me till the end of the video. If you don't understand anything, make sure to comment in my comment section so that I can come and reply for you to understand it very well. It's very simple. So to start with, as we can see, the MTN logo, the background is yellow. We have an oval blue MTN everywhere you go. So let's start with our design. So we are done creating our background. We need to color the background. As I said, the background is yellow. So to color the background is very simple. You just come here, come to this place, you just click here, move to solid color. We are starting. As I said, we have the FX here, we have the layer marks, and also we have the solid color here, the adjustment layer. Just click on it, go to solid color. Now let's go and choose our yellow color over here. The yellow color over here. Okay, I think this is okay. That is, so the color code is E7E017. The color mode, so you can just type this color mode here, you can get your yellow color. So the color mode is E7E017. After that, you click on OK. We have created our background, which is the yellow. Now, as we can see, the MTN logo, we have some oval shape, the oval shape inside, in which they have written MTN inside. So to do that, we are supposed to come to this place here. It is called a rectangular tool or the rectangle tool, right click this place. Here we have a lot of shapes around here. We have the rectangle tool, rounded rectangle tool, the ellipse tool, polygon tool, line tool, custom shape tool. In this our case, we will select the ellipse tool, this one. After selecting it, you just come and draw. It's very simple. You draw it nicely in the middle of your workspace. So you draw it nicely like this. So you draw it nicely like that in the middle of the workspace. Please, after drawing, we have something called move to. The move to is the first tool. This one, it is called move to. When you click on the move to, you can move the oval around, or the ellipse tool around. You can move it. So please, to be able to move this around, first you are supposed to click on the move to, this one. After clicking on it, you can move this around. You understand? So to be able to move any shape around inside Photoshop, you need to go and click on your move to. After clicking on the move to, you can move this one around. All right, please, the MTN logo, the over here is blue, but in our case our own is black, so we need to change this black to blue. To be able to do that, just go and click here, layer, or the layers, click inside here. As you can see, the ellipse, this is the circle. To be able to change the color, just click on the ellipse like this. We have some small rectangle here. Double click inside like that. It's very simple. Go and choose your color. After that, this one, the blue color, the mode is 1A50DA. So please, you can just type the color mode inside here. The black will change to blue. It's very simple. Then you go and click on your OK. It's very simple. To move this around, as I said, you are supposed to go and click inside the move to. You first click the move to before you can move this one around. To change the color inside this place, as I said, this is the ellipse one. This is the oval. To change the color mode, or to change the color inside this, we have a small rectangle here. Just double click inside. It will open the color scheme for you. You just input 1A50DA to change the color. After that, you click on OK. Now we are done with the drawing of the oval. Now we are now coming to write the MTN inside it. So to be able to write the MTN inside it, inside the Photoshop, we have something called the text tool. This one, this T, it is called a text tool. To be able to type anything inside Photoshop, you need the text tool. So to be able to type the MTN, we need the text tool. So first, you are supposed to click on the text tool. So you click on the text tool like this. Then you come and click inside your workspace here. Understand? Then you just type MTN. It's very simple. So let's type MTN. After that, we have something called OK. This one, you see, it is a mark sign. It is called OK. Just click on this one. Good, you are done. Now you see the MTN is very small. This one, the MTN is very small. To make this MTN big, just go and hold on your keyboard, press the control. Don't release your hands, please take note. You press the control without releasing your hands, then you press the T. Take note, to be able to make the MTN big on the keyboard, press the control, press it and hold it. Don't release your hands, and go and press the T. When you press the T, there will be a line around the MTN. You just drag like this, hold and drag and open it like that. You see how I'm doing it? Very simple. We are done. Now to be able to move the MTN inside the oval, first you just go and click inside the OK. So you just click the OK. To be able to move the MTN inside the oval, to move it, just go and select your move tool first, so that you can drag it inside the oval like this nicely. It's very simple. Now you see the MTN logo, the M and the N is white. The MTN logo, the M and the N is white, but in our case, ours is black. So we are supposed to change the M and the N to white. Now just go and select your text tool. You highlight only the M. You understand? This is the color mode. You choose your color, you select the white. This is the white. You go to OK. Then you go and click on the OK too. Now the N2 is white. You just select only the N. You go and change the color. Then go and select the white at the top there. So the white color mode for white is FFFFFF. Take note. Then select OK. OK here at the top there. The T is also yellow. So you just select the T like that. Very simple. You go and change your color. Choose your color. The yellow, you can just click inside the background because the background is yellow. Just click inside the background like this. You go to OK. Then the OK at the top there. To move this MTN, just go and click on your move tool. Very simple. You can move it. Adjust it small. Nice like this. You see under the T, we have a small rectangle under the T which is colored red. As you can see, colored red here. It's very simple. To be able to do that, just go to your rectangular tool, that place, the same place. Go and select your rectangle. Come and draw small rectangle under the T. Nice like this. You can change the color. So to be able to change this black, the black like that, you select the red color. You go to OK. Then you are done with your MTN. It's very simple. Now we are coming to write everywhere you go. Everywhere you go under it. So just go and select your text tool. You just come and click inside the workspace. You type everywhere you go. It's very simple. So just type everywhere you go. You see it is very small. To be able to make it big, as I said, you press and hold the control key. Press and hold it. Don't release your hands. Then you go and press the T. There will be a line around it. Just hold and drag it like what I'm doing like that. It's very simple. Nice like this. Everywhere you go. To be able to move it around, as I said, first click on the OK. Go and select your move tool. You can move it around nicely. Everywhere you go. You see the color is black. The everywhere you go, the color is black. So to be able to change the color, the everywhere you go, this is its layer. So to be able to change the red to black, you just come and select your color here. You change it to black nicely. This is the black. The black to the color mode is 00000. Then you click on OK. Now we are done designing MTN logo everywhere you go. So please, to be able to design MTN logo everywhere you go, just follow this simple tutorials and you are good to go. We have started with graphic designing. We are learning from the basic to the advanced. It is very simple. Just follow this thing. Thank you. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for me for more videos like this. It's very simple. MTN everywhere you go.